Do you ever felt like manifesting your desires is an uphill battle? No matter how much you affirm or visualize. What if I told you there is a little known technique that can supercharge your manifesting power and attract your deepest wants at supernatural speed? Did you know that over 95% of people struggle to hold focused visualization during the most potent manifesting state? Breathe in, beloved seekers. I am about to unveil an ancient yet staggeringly effective method to command the universe, to deliver your heart's desires with unparalleled swiftness. Are you ready to awaken your inner mystic and transcend limited beliefs about what is possible? The profoundly wise Neville Goddard, a modern prophet of manifesting, shared a secret technique that I have personally used to bend reality to my will. Yet, for some perplexing reasons, this priceless gem remains buried in obscurity. What if I told you the solution to your manifesting struggles lies not in more effort, but in graceful surrender to the powers of your subconscious mind? You see, when your conscious mind takes a backseat and your subconscious beliefs align with your intentions, miracles become inevitable. As Bhagavad Gita states, the mind is restless and difficult to restrain, but it is subdued by constant vigorous spiritual practice. The cold hard truth is, the modern approach to manifestation is flawed and incomplete. Endlessly repeating affirmations while hoping your desires will simply appear is like planting a seed and digging it up every few days to check if it is grown. Like you just have invested last 2 days and you are just hoping that that stock will go up only. Then that is also a bad idea, right? If you just affirm within 2 days I will get 1,000 crores. No, it is not possible. And it leaves so many well-intentioned seekers feeling frustrated, defeated, and disconnected from the infinite powers that lie within. Your desire better than spiritual struggle, but I am here to share the elegant solution handed down by the masters, a way to sip into blissful state of allowing, where your subconscious believes your intentions have already materialized in this present moment. What if you could exit the exhausting cycle of desperate wanting and affirming, and instead bask in the euphoric knowing that all you desire is already yours? The secret lies in achieving the elusive alpha mind state that yogis, mystics, and enlightened teachers have spoken of for millennia. This relaxed yet hyper-focused brainwave allows you to impress your subconscious with vivid thoughts and images. Neville's brilliant hack is shockingly simple. You will gaze softly at an object until your vision blurs and your mind naturally drifts inward. The process is profoundly straightforward, yet potentially life-changing. You will simply stare at a wall, candle flame, kaleidoscope, video, image, or any object or scene that allows your eyes to naturally lose focus. A blank wall or the static pattern on an old TV screen works particularly well. As you fix your gaze on the chosen object or scene, You will notice your vision gradually blurring inward. The details will slowly dissolve into a soft haze as your consciousness subtly shifts inward. The purposeful soft gaze activates the alpha mind state. That is the gateway to profound subconscious reprogramming. As your vision blurs, your subconscious expands and becomes hyper impressionable to the intentions and imagery you feed it. So, once you sense that blurry-eyed, internally drifting state, you will spend 10 unbroken minutes marinating your subconscious in the feeling and embodied visions of your desires already realized. You can speak affirmations like, I am financially free, I have my ideal life partner, I rejoice in complete health, or you can vividly visualize yourself being, having, and experiencing the realities you want to manifest. The key is immerse in the feelings and sensations you would experience. If your dreams were already your material reality in this moment, do not want it, be it. As you affirm and visualize from this blissful alpha state, your subconscious fuses with the beliefs and imagery you are imprinting. It locks in the full body experience and emotional resonance as your new energetic set point. Now, here is the beautiful paradoxical step, dropping it. After your 10 focused blurry-eyed minutes of subconscious programming, you will intentionally release the attachment to your desired outcome. You will let it go and carry on with your day, knowing on a cellular level that your intentions have already taken root. You do not need to constantly affirm or visualize because your subconscious has recorded the full embodiment experience. It is already impregnated with the belief that your dream is your present truth. From this point, whenever your desire pops into your mind, you will effortlessly think or say, it is done, I have it already. You will be rooted in the unshakable, embodied feeling rather than constantly trying to manufacture it. The more you practice this 10-minute blurry vision technique followed by dropping it into your day, the more your subconscious will remain saturated in the energy and acceptance of your manifestation. Your entire being will become a magnet, pulling your intentions into material form with ease and grace. What if I told you this is the only practice you need to manifest anything you can conceive of? What desires have you been longing to manifest but could not quite embody the feeling of having them? Whether it is financial abundance, a soulmate relationship, perfect health, or any other heartfelt aspirations, when you commit to entering the alpha state daily through this simple gaze technique, you command your subconscious to urgently harmonize with your intentions. Are you ready to experience reality bending and molding itself to your subconscious beliefs and visions? With repeated practice, even your ideal thoughts will carry the turbocharged power of absolute acceptance. You will find yourself effortlessly affirming it is done because your subconscious knows your intentions as truth. What if you could finally stop hoping and start knowing that what you envision is rapidly materializing in your life? Like a programmed seed code, this alpha state plants the DNA level instruction in your subconscious to expedite all forces of co-creation and acceleration. Your entire being will align as a super co-conduit for your heart's desire. One of my students, Jessica, had been struggling for years to manifest her soulmate despite tireless affirmations and vision boards. But after just 7 days of Neville's alpha focus technique, she knew her man was close to 2 weeks later, an old friend re-entered her life as the partner she would envision. Down to the smallest details. Are you ready to unleash your manifestation superpowers and give your subconscious mind a spiritual truth, spiritual rebirth? When you immerse your subconscious through blurry gazes and embodied feeling, resistance dissolves. Your intentions take on a sacred, unshakable essence that divinely commands the universe to rearrange itself. As the Bhagavad Gita wisdom states, therefore surrender all your works unto me, being focused on the Supreme Self, free from desire and attachment, and remain balanced in success and failure. Equanimity is called yoga. We are no longer blind seekers longing for change. We are conscious creators, reshaping reality by our self-sovereign powers of belief and imagination. When you embrace this alpha mind technique, my friends, you embrace your power to command all that you desire with swiftness and ease. You align with the universal laws that joyfully manifest your highest intentions. So keep the blissful faith, spiritual warriors, for when your subconscious believes and expects, your dream as. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.